Most businesses don't need more employees, they need proper systems. In this video, I'm going to show how I did automate a small business to save 20 plus hours per week by using a simple automation. This is a system I used to fix the broken workflows for these small businesses. Most businesses have this phone problem. They doesn't have a follow-up system. Their messages are scattered along different social media tools and manual data entry. And founder does all this work. Problem isn't effort. They doesn't have a proper system. So let me walk through this automation and how this works. I'm going to build this from scratch, step by step, without a complicated tech or huge teams. As we discussed, we have done the automation system, a lead qualification. Just we start this and pop-up will come. We make it pay. We have already a preset of wait. I make it my email. The phone is also my email. Budget is 3,000. This is a warm lead. We have submitted and it has been running the AI agent analyzes it is qualified lead or not and sends the message to us and updates in CRM updated. Yeah, call now is updated. Now hot lead is generated and message is sent to us, which is notifying us as that is hot lead generated. Let's see, message comes or not. Yeah, the no reply high generated and for us get ready because hot lead detected. That's it. Simple and pretty sure you will understand what I'm going to tell. I'm going to build it from the scratch. Let's start. First, I go to they have a workflow and it will be YouTube demo. First, I created the form submission. Form submission consists of name, email, budget, message, and phone. Phone will be phone will be going upside. Yeah, got it. And for system prompt, you have to run the previous node. System message, you have a system message for this. You are setting those. Make it main. In these things are not needed. Okay, we got it. Next, we have to add a code note. Sorry, wait. JavaScript, and the code is we have given here. This is the code node. Have to copy and paste it. Sure, just like that. So simple. If you want to do this, you can do from scratch, or if you want a full workflow, I am doing it in the description. You can take it. You and I already created the YouTube. So one lead type, intent, summary, and recommendation. One type code and curiosity, summary, and recommendation action. Recommended action. For that, Gmail. You need to send a mail for those people who have just said regarding your form some missing. And message will be hi, how are you? You can put whatever you can. Now that this after this, how to find if not. If the recommended action, yeah, where is the recommended action? Equal to call now, then true means we have to send an email to us, Gmail, and send a message to me itself. Yeah, to me itself. Hot lead detector, get ready. So here, and I make it as indicator, not indicator, for team. Okay, and this will be making us send message to client. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can add a telegram, and telegram is where is send a text message? Text message, yeah. Yeah, I have already chat message. This one text is hotly detected, and delete this. Hey, no man, this has to be deleted. Yeah. And if you want to add another one, WhatsApp, we can add a WhatsApp, but we don't have a WhatsApp. We need Facebook. Sorry, spelling is wrong. Facebook trigger. Yeah, this is the one. If you want those Facebook connecting, I will make a new video for that. So that's all. That's all for today. So that's all for today. We have seen lead qualification system. If you want the full workflow, you can comment below. I will send having a link in description, and the useful links and prompts you needed all are given in description. Check it out, and for don't forget to subscribe to us and like, share, and give a hype to this video, because many people are like me, which are who are this just starting to make these workflows. So make a support for them, please. Bye.